Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Clara here. I would just like to quickly show you some products I received from Craspire. They sent me these and I needed this because I normally like to seal or use these wax seals in my packaging and sometimes in my journals. And yeah, so we have a melting kit and some stamps here. And yeah, so here we have the wax spoon, and you get all, I think when you use this, you get a good, it's good for measuring to be accurate, so you get really good looking seals. And then we have the wax warmer made of nice wood here. And of course, put the tea light candle down there. You put this over it, and then you warm up your wax. And then we have these really lovely stamps. And obviously I chose these because they are botanical. So they go really, really well with my botanical journals and my lab books. And then we have these as well here. So I got two of these, and what you do is just unscrew this and screw it onto the one that you want to use. Very simple, and you're ready to go. And this, I have my lovely wax beads here, so I'm just going to be putting them in here. Which color? Let me see. Maybe blue. I'm not too sure how many I need to make a good seal. I have to experiment a little bit. I'll do that in my next video. And I'm very excited to use these guys. So until the next time, thank you. And also, if you are interested, you can, anything over $40, you'll get a discount through my discount code. And I'll have that also in the description box down below. And all the other relevant information. So please look down there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And until the next time, bye.